saying.
Education for the kids.
Education. Well, you know, one of the things we really focus on and say is important is a fair start for all children. So what we're saying is that we will actually give more money to those, allocate money to children who have greater need for support. So, for example, if they don't have English as a first language, then the schools should get more money for those children because then they can get extra support. And again, we're the only party which is saying that because we think, you know, if we're going to help children have a fair start in life, it's important that they have a really good education. And
absolutely, yeah.
And the other thing is that the government has cut back on funding for English as a second language for adults. And that as well we think is wrong because the government will say, oh, we want people from the Somali community or from other communities to integrate, but if they're not helped to learn English, speak English, it's much more difficult.
Yeah.
So we think that's really important.
Some of us, for about 10 years ago, we came here. What they told us, we are equal opportunity and tolerant society. Let's go into that. Equal opportunity, but tolerant society. Why? Because as you say here, most people are here to safety. Who is given testimony?
Skillar borta, yeah.
Not sponsor, not alone. The people who come yesterday, they have taken pieces and then even the sponsor, welcome. But we have 10 years and no sponsor.
If you've been here 10 years, we think you should have the right to be regularised so that you then could live here, work here and everything.
If you are not working, if you are patient, that's the problem.
Well, yeah. Or be a pensioner and get
I've
right.
come to this MP here. I told him my problem, and he looked at me and he said, you cannot fix the dog.
Well,
really.
Well, which is not right. The law needs to change.
You see, the problem is that 10 years ago here, one who here, he just moved with you and then, so, people of the get into the summer school because someone is doing a sponsor and the other was can't get. That's the problem. So, equal opportunity is not there. So, if you are dealing with your liberal, you are looking for equal opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's very much.
Yes,
let me leave you with
one small question. Should there be a hung parliament?
Yeah.
Are you going to be with alliance with Labour or Conservative?
Well, we don't know because we don't know which party is going to be the bigger party. What we've said is the party which is the bigger party should have the first chance
to form,
to try and form a government. But what we've also said is that we will make sure that whatever policies they do are based on fairness. Fairness in tax, a fair start for children, a fairer political system. And that's what we think is important. And if they don't put forward policies which are based on fairness, then we won't support them.
Fair enough.
Very clear.
Thank you very much.